In the number 34 out of Olympia, Washington, sponsored by LP Motorsports, is Dave Knittel. On the outside of the front row in the 60 out of Olympia, Washington, sponsored by Foster's Automotive, is Kelly Foster. And starting on the pole for this 4-lap trophy dash in the 9 out of Shelton, Washington, sponsored by B&H Towing, Charles Metters. And we are underway. The ultimate car in this race is the 29 of Kyle Matthews. Kyle Matthews is just there if one of the 4 would have had a problem on the warm-up laps. Up front now it is Dan Walker and Dave Knittel. The field has gone single file. Charles Metters slides into the 3rd spot, and then Kelly Foster. But up front, Dan Suitbone Walker with Dave Knittel getting loose behind Walker as those two now separating from Charles Metters and Kelly Foster. Again, this is an 8-lap trophy dash. Metters is sideways. Kelly Foster was sideways. We started to get an idea of what was going on with the track in qualifying. It's a little bit greasy at the moment. Dan Walker on the final lap of this 4-lap trophy dash, leading the way. Dave Knittel just settled in on the rear bumper as they come off at turn number 4. Your winner, Dan Walker, followed by Knittel, and then it is, I believe, Charles Metters. Longview, Washington, sponsored by D&S Light Truck and Auto Parts, is Dan Walker. Alongside Dan Walker in the 60 out of Olympia, Washington, is Kelly Foster. Outside row number 3 in the 9 out of Shelton, Washington, sponsored by B&H Towing, is Charles Metters. Alongside Metters in the 29 out of Tacoma, Washington, sponsored by Tat Time Tattoo, is Kyle Matthews. The second row, Jason Logan and Chris Brandon. Up front, Bryson Baird and Gary McKay. Gary McKay sliding towards the back and doing it in the middle of the pack. Now he gets to the outside. 3 wide off of 4. I don't think that's where Dan Walker wanted to be, but he was right in the middle of Kelly Foster and Gary McKay, but he makes a way through there safely. Up front, a 3-car breakaway. Bryson Baird, Jason Lohman, and Charles Metters. Then behind them, side by side, Kyle Matthews and Chris Brandon, and Kelly Foster, Dan Walker, and Dave Knittel. Dan Walker trying to follow Chris Brandon around on the outside, but that door closes on him. Dan Walker right now just trying to give Brandon an assist to Walker splits the middle. Dan Walker right in between Chris Brandon and Kyle Matthews as they went into 3. So now Dan Walker pulls up onto the rear bumper of Jason Lohman. And Walker now up alongside of Lohman. Charles Metters gets up inside of Lohman and works his way by. Dan Walker now up in the 2nd. Bryson Baird leading the way, but he's got a charge and Dan Walker on his way. As they come off of 4, 2 laps remain. Now Dan Walker right down onto the rumble strips. Alongside Bryson Baird, and he's going to dispatch of Baird before they get into turn number 3. Battle for 3rd between Lohman and Metters as the white flag comes out. There's a gaggle of cars in the back, and there's some contact between Knittel and Kyle Matthews. And now Knittel says, enough of this. So Dave Knittel drops to the back as your winner, Dan Walker, followed by Bryson Baird. And then it's Charles Metters coming home 3rd.